Hello everyone, I'm here to introduce how I do the second part of the homework 3. First, let's see the question. X is a uniform in the section A to B and y equals to x to 2. In the first part, we should find and draw the fx and the upper fx. And in the second part, we should if we already know that a equals to -1 and b equals to +3, we should find and draw the fy and upper fy, and also find the ey. Here comes to how I solve these two questions. The first part, we already know that x is uniform in section A to B. So it's easy to get that the answer, the formula of fx itself is 1 divided by b minus a when x is from A to B. Otherwise, fx itself is equals to 0. And from the lower fx, we can get the upper fx itself. It's 0 when x smaller than a, and when x larger than b, the upper fx equals to 1, and otherwise it equals to 1 divided by b minus a times x minus a. From these two formulas, we can easily draw the these two function. And for the second part of the question, we already know that a equals to -1 and b equals to +3, and y equals to x to 2. It's easy to know that when x is smaller than 0 or larger than 9, the fy is 0. And we should divide it into two situations. In first situation, when x is from 0 to 1, there are two roots for the formula. That is, x1 equals to positive squared y and x2 equals to negative squared y. And so we can get the fy is 1 divided by 4 times squared y from these formula. And in the second situation, when y is from 1 to 9, there is only one root, so the fy itself change from 1 divided by 4 times squared y to 1 divided by 8 times squared y. So it's easily to get the final formula of the fy. From the representation itself, we can get upper y. That is, when y is smaller than 0, it is 0. When y is from 0 to 1, it is 0.5 times squared y. When y is from 1 to 9, it is 0.25 times squared y plus 1, and otherwise it is 1. And here is how I draw these two functions. And as for ey, it is the integral of 1 minus fy from 0 to infinity. We already know that there are only two parts of y. One is from 0 to 1, one is from 1 to 9. So sum these two up, we can go to the final result. That is 7 divided by 3. Thank you.